Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2001 Honda Rebel 250. This bike has just a little over 1,600 miles on it and is still in incredible condition. So let's take a walk around it. It is all stock. I'll show you the mileage and then we will fire it up for you. This is an excellent starter bike and even a run around town bike on. So tires still look to be in good shape, but they're old, and they're beyond the safe mark. So service will be putting a new set of tires on this bike. And I mean, you can see this bike is nice and clean. Paint still has a nice shine to it too. And like I said, it is all stock. You know, and for a starter bike too, it doesn't have a bunch of tip overs and drops and stuff like that like a lot of starter bikes do. Same with the rear tire, still looks good, got plenty of miles left on it, but beyond the safe mark. So again, service will be putting a new rear tire as well as a front tire on this bike. Just a really nice, clean, good-looking bike. And there is your mileage, 1,617. That's my lift you hear rattling. And there we go. Ran out of gas. No. This Rebel 250 will be going through our pre-sale inspection, and which is where they will be installing a new set of tires on it. They will be giving it our 53-point inspection. This bike will also come, as long as you own it from us, with a lifetime discount on parts, labor, and your accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.